Hi, my name is Weesuda and I'm from period D.
Hi, my name is Archarapun and I'm from period F.
And today we're gonna make some fried potatoes.
Let's have a look at the ingredients. There are 4 potatoes, cornstarch, salt, pepper and oregano, barbecue powder, and ketchup.
Firstly, we have to wash the potatoes.
Now we're filling water into the pot of potatoes.
Now we're going to boil the potatoes.
In the meantime, we're preparing the cold water to put the potatoes in.
Now the potatoes are ready and we're going to put it into cold water to cool it down.
Take the potatoes out of the cold water and start peeling it.
Now we're done peeling.
Start smashing the potatoes.
Put it in a plastic bag and roll it.
Now put the seasonings in. We already put the cornstarch. Put salt. Pepper. And oregano.
Now roll it into shapes we want.
Now put the potatoes that we shaved into a boiling oil.
until it's fully cooked.
Here's the final product.
Okay, so now we're done with our vegan snack, which is the fried potato.
There are two shapes, which is this shape.
And this is the circular one. We first mashed it and then seasoned with pepper, salt, and oregano, and then molded it into circular shapes. Then we fried it afterwards.
For this one, we just boiled the potato and then slide it into thin shapes, and then we fry it.
Okay, and now we're going to taste it. So here we have tomato sauce. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's very crispy.
This one tastes like Lay's.
This one is also, it has similar taste. And oh, we can also eat it with barbecue powder, which is also vegan. And I'm gonna try it. Okay, so I've got it here in a spoon. It tastes good with everything. You can even eat it like alone by itself without any like toppings.
Or you can also put it with salt.
Yeah. So this is the end of our video, and we hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye.